Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Fire Lizard Compendium in Gothic 1 Remake. The Fire Lizard Compendium is one of the collectible compendiums in the game that allows you to learn how to harvest certain parts from defeated enemies. To get it, head down to the shore at the end of the swamp camp, as shown here on the map. You'll also need to learn the climbing skill before you can reach this location. We have a video on the channel showing how to learn the climbing skill from this NPC right here, so make sure to check it out. After learning the skill, follow my path and swim across to this area past the shipwreck. You'll eventually come across this climbable surface right here. Once you get here, carefully avoid the fire lizard if you're underleveled, because it can easily kill you in a single hit. If you manage to sneak past it, you'll find the Fire Lizard Compendium inside this small cave at the back of the area. Bring this compendium to Cavalorn and he'll teach you how to harvest Fire Lizard scales. And that's how to get the Fire Lizard Compendium in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.